Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actress Michelle Fairley. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Catelyn Stark, Catelyn Stark, Kate, Lynn, Stark, Catelyn Stark. Catelyn's journey is marked by her unwavering dedication to safeguarding her loved ones. Her tragic and untimely death at the Red Wedding is one of the series' most shocking moments, cementing her legacy as a character driven by love and duty. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Catelyn Stark, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.